Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon. Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara.
Ayan guys, mega shoutout, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. So, ang video na mapapanood ninyo ay kuha po aktual sa Congress hearing nung nakaraang araw na kung saan idinawit ang ilang pangalan ng mga senador sa issue ng flood control project na ngayon ay pinakamainit na usapin sa ating bansa. Ang nagsiwalat ng mga pangalan ay si Mr. Hernandez na kung saan naka-contempt nung nakarang hearing sa Senado. At ang nakakatuwa, may biro kasi si Senator Marcoleta na safe ka na sa kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Ngayon, mukhang naungkat ito dahil hindi niya masabi-sabi doon sa Senate hearing, pero dito masasabi niya ang pagkakadawit ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada sa flood control project. Ito guys, panoorin nyo ang video sa Congress hearing tungkol sa issue ng flood control project.
Yes, Your Honor.
In fact, there's one incident that was mentioned by Sari Santos in the Senate na 245 million yung isa sa tatandaan yung ibigay niya sa Tapo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Itong 245, just a portion of that, because according to you, from 2022 up to 2025, your estimate is that it's over $1.9 billion na natanggap mo Tapo ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Approximately.
Okay, sige. So binibigay mo ito kay Engineer Alcantara, tama ko?
Hindi po binibigay, kinukuha niya.
Kinukuha, sorry. Kinukuha ni Alcantara. Nakabasa ako sa akin mo, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, pag sinabi mong may involved, ibig sabihin logic would dictate and you don't need to be a rocket scientist para to assume that yung binibigay ay may hati-hati. Tama ko ba? May breakdown.
Yes po, Your Honor. Sinasabi niya po, kinukuha na yung commitment.
Commitment na alin ibig sabihin commitment yung sila yung hatian yun.
Kung ako po mag-interpret, commitment po para kay Senator.
Okay, may we know sino yung mga sinasabi mong mga kumukuha o may commitment sa mga senador? Kasi you mentioned this earlier before we granted the request of having a recess and suspended. May we know who are these sinasabi mo may mga involved na mga senador?
Okay lang po mamasaya po, Your Honor, kung ano lang po yung naisulat ko. Pero pinapangako ko lang po sa inyo na ang full details ito ay bibigay po sa written statement namin ng mga abogado.
Mr. Chair, our guest is requesting that he be allowed to read. Ito ba yung salaysay mo? Pinirmahan mo? Tama po ba? Ito ba yung tinatanong sa'yo kanina ni Congressman Garvey?
Yes po, sinulat po pinirmahan ko rin po.
Okay. Mr. Chair, may we request that he be allowed to read his salaysay statement?
Engineer Hernandez, please proceed.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Ako po si Bryce Erickson Hernandez, dating Assistant District Engineer ng Bulacan First District Engineering Office. Ako po ay na-contempt kahapon sa Senate Tourism Committee. Habang ako po ay nakadetain, makapag-isip po ako at nag-desisyon na maglabas ng ilang nalalaman ko sa flood control project base po sa aking natatandaan sa ngayon. Tama po si Senator Lacson, ang mga engineers ng DPWH ay hindi na naging layman o bagman na lang. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o o kanino kami naging batman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon. Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan. At ang sabi po ng boss dito ay 30% ng commitment dito. Ang mga projects po na ito ay construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station in Floodgate Phase 3 sa Agonoy, Bulacan. Flood control mitigating structure with pumping station in Floodgate sa Malolos, Bulacan. Hindi ko po mabasahin lahat o isasako po ito sa ating video statement.
Mahalaga po basahin yung buong listahan ng mga proyekto. These are the line items that everyone has been talking about, so I think the nation deserves to know which particular line items that are in the GAA that are being implemented for these particular personalities.
Mr. Chair, may I also request that he be directed to read the entirety of his essay?
Yes, yes.
Not to select a portion of his essay.
Yes, he will, I think he will be required to read it, but we need the specific line item in the General Appropriations Act to be able to tie these particular projects to political personalities, not just DPWH engineers, not just the drafters. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, may I also ask that the amounts also be read?
Yes.
It's important that the public will also be.
Yes, if it is available, Engineer Fernandez, please mention the amount as well.
Mr. Chair, saglit interjection na. After the statement of Sir Bryce, we have the copy of his statement para kung makapagtanong din yung mga members based on his ongoing statement, Mr. Chair.
If that is practicable, Deputy Speaker, we will ask him to do it, but it's a written, handwritten statement. So I think we have to listen to his entire slide first. Please proceed with the line items, please.
Let me repeat it, Your Honor. First, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and Floodgate Phase 3, Barangay Mercado, Agonoy, Bulacan, with an allocation of 60 million pesos. Number 2, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and Floodgate at Mambo Creek, Phase 3, Malolos City, Bulacan, with an amount of 45 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station at Floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Iba, Agonoy, Bulacan, amounting to 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station at Calero Creek, Phase 3, Malolos City, Bulacan, with an amount of 50 million pesos. Construction of flood control structure including pumping station at Floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mito, Kalumpit, Bulacan, with an amount of 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigation structure with pumping station at Floodgate at Barangay Santo Rosario Creek, Phase 3, Malolos City, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And last, construction of flood mitigation structure including pumping station and Floodgate Phase 3, Barangay Carillo, Agonoy, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And all of that with a total of 355 million pesos, Your Honor.